Ever wonder why one garden explodes with fresh vegetables while another barely survives? It is not luck. It is not expensive gear. And no, plants do not read motivational quotes. The truth is, almost every successful garden comes down to 5 simple essentials. Miss one and your plants struggle. Master all 5 and your garden starts working with you instead of against you. First up is sunlight. Think of sunlight as gasoline for your plants. No light, no energy, no vegetables. Most popular garden crops like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, squash, and beans need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. Without enough light, plants stretch out, get weak, and produce disappointing harvests. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach are a little more forgiving. They can handle partial shade, especially during hot summers. Quick tip: watch your garden throughout the day before planting anything. That perfect sunny spot at breakfast might become full shade by dinner. Second is water. Plants are a lot like people. Too little water stresses them out. Too much water stresses them out, too. Most vegetables need about 1 inch of water each week, but consistency matters more than perfection. Wild swings between dry and soaked can crack tomatoes, split carrots, and turn cucumbers bitter. The secret is deep watering. Give plants a long drink so moisture reaches deep roots instead of just wetting the surface. And mulch, that is your best friend. Straw, leaves, or wood chips help hold moisture and keep roots cooler. Plus, mulch saves you from watering every 5 minutes during summer heat. Third is soil. Great gardens are built from the ground up. Healthy soil should feel loose, rich, and full of life. Good soil holds moisture while still draining well. Plants hate sitting in swampy mud just as much as they hate bone-dry dirt. This is where nutrients matter. Nitrogen helps leafy growth. Phosphorus supports roots and flowers. Potassium strengthens the whole plant. But here is the real secret. Experienced gardeners learn over time. Compost fixes almost everything. Adding compost feeds the soil, improves texture, and helps beneficial microbes thrive. Think of compost as a slow-release energy drink for your garden. And if your plants seem unhappy no matter what you do, test your soil pH. Sometimes nutrients are there, but plants cannot access them. Fourth is temperature. Every vegetable has its comfort zone. Cool season crops like lettuce, peas, carrots, and broccoli love spring and fall weather. Once summer heat arrives, many bolt and go to seed faster than you can say salad. Warm season crops like tomatoes, peppers, melons, and beans crave heat. Plant them too early, and cold weather can stunt or even kill them. A lot of gardening frustration comes from planting at the wrong time, not from lack of skill. Simple patience often beats fancy gardening tricks. The fifth essential is space and airflow. It is tempting to cram plants together. Every gardener does it at least once. Then summer arrives, and suddenly your garden looks like a jungle wrestling match. Crowded plants compete for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Worse, trapped moisture creates the perfect environment for fungal diseases. Good airflow keeps leaves dry and healthy, and growing vertically with cages, stakes, or trellises saves space while improving sunlight exposure. Remember this: seed packet spacing is not a suggestion written by bored people. It actually matters. So here are the big 5 essentials for gardening success: strong sunlight, consistent watering, healthy soil, proper temperatures, and good spacing. Start with the easiest step first. Improve your soil and watering habits, and you will see results fast. Bonus tip: spend a few minutes in your garden every single day. Small problems are easy to fix early. If this helped you grow smarter, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a growing tip. And check out the next gardening video waiting on your screen right now. It might save your next harvest. See you soon.